Guys, my name is Nonema Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, after the entire drama and everything that went on, and my God, now we get a surprise. Yes, now we get a surprise. The defense surprise in the name of Ramasipile. Guys, I told you about this man. Ramasipile is not one to be messed with, because when he comes for you, he slices you into pieces of bread. My goodness! Ramza. Now tell me why Ramasipile is like, Ramasipile Kesana says, you know what? After all the fights and everything that happened this morning, let me call my next witness. Guess who is the next witness, Kesana? General, Major General Mampuru Vincent Lishebane. The house, Kesana, inside the courtroom of Judge Rajapaksa, and right there on the spot, the energy shifted. The energy shifted because what? You say what? Who? From where? Who from where? What? He's where? I am telling you, Ubaloyi ebela kaza ngathi ukhwela isitimela esirongo. Damn you! Ebela kaza ngathi ukhwela isitimela esirongo. Oh, Jadrata was like, oh, my goodness. He comes in, Major General Lishebane takes the stand. Ramasipile is asking who he is. And then, sorry, before that, the interpreter, which is Mr. Jonas, is asking his name. His name is Lieutenant, Lieutenant General, he's a Lieutenant General, Major General Mampuru Vincent Lishebane. And then under oath, judge is like, you know how to take the oath most, right? Of course, yeah, obviously. He loves to judge, like jokes. The situation is intense. Okay, the situation is intense. Yeah, and then guy is like, yes, of course, I know how to take an oath. And then Mr. Jonas is asking language. He's like, English. Shapu Gesana, the English comes in, and my goodness, let me tell you something about the language. Gesana, he is not mincing them words. He is speaking English, not my English and Kininda's English. No, he's not speaking English, just like me and Kininda. He speaks English. Gesana, Major General, Teta English. Gesana. Me and Kininda, we are that gang English. Me, Kininda, we English. Ababaloy Nabo Major General, they speak English. Oh my goodness, oh like my goodness, what the hell? And then after he was inside, phakathi ke ngoku brothers, ehleli phansi, who's this guy now? Mr. Jonas. They start to get with the things. He speaks. Jonas interprets. I don't know what happened now. I don't know, because now there was. I don't know what happened. Jonas stopped interpreting because Ramasipile asked questions. Wabuzi interpretation. Now, I don't know what happened, Gesana, because today it was not just another courtroom. Oh, guys, it was not just any other courtroom, Gesana. It was just control slipping out of people's hands. There was nothing that they can do, because in the middle of routine testimony, everything stopped. And it wasn't the judge. It wasn't the state. It was Advocate Mshololo who pulled the brakes hard. He was like, man, let's stop not that. And then the court was moving normally. Kesana. Retired Major General Vincent Lishebane is on the stand, giving a long structured career history. Everything is flowing. The usual rhythm. Witness speaks, interpreter summarizes, court proceeds. But there, Umshololo steps in, Kesana. Can I ask for interpretation as the witness is testifying? That one line changed the entire temperature of the courtroom right there on the spot, Kesana, because what she is challenging here is not small. She's basically saying what's happening right now is not proper interpretation. And the judge responds, no, that's not how we do it here, right? No, that's not how he responded. Uchadwata was like, okay, because he was irritated. He did not want another up and down now. He knows the defense lawyers knows the abamsabi, bamchela 99, abanandabanai. So Uchadwata is like, you know what? This is how we do it in this court. Let's go. He speaks, you interpret. He speaks, you interpret, and then he speaks something about the notes. But Umshololo doesn't back down. She pushes forward she pushes forward for word, real-time interpretation, not summaries, not notes, not reconstructed meaning, direct, immediate, accurate. Yes, now, Shosa. Shosa. Now, here is where it gets interesting because this is where Jonas enters the pressure zone. Up until now, the interpreter has been operating comfortable, summarizing, controlling the flow, managing pace, but suddenly the spotlight is on him. No more shortcuts, no more paraphrasing. Every word must land exactly as spoken. And that kind of pressure, it exposes everything. Now, let's be honest. I know. I've been saying it that Jonas is getting too comfortable for my liking. I do not like how he thinks he's part of the furniture. I don't like that. Jonas needs to understand he is the officer of the court. He needs, and today that comfort of Jonas was challenged publicly because interpretation is not just translation, it is power. Who controls the interpretation, controls what the accused understand, controls how the record is built, and balance for credibility. Now, to be fair, Mshololo's question and Mshololo's timing. Mshololo Shololo came in at the right time. I love Shololo what he did there because she forced Jonas to sentence by sentence interpretation. And imagine 38 years, a long career testimony. 38 years, yes. That slows everything down dramatically. And yes, courts often allows summarized interpretation for efficiency. So the real question is, was she protecting the accused or disrupting the process? The real answer is she was protecting the accused. She was protecting the record also. She was doing what needs to be done. But here is the reality nobody wants to say out loud. This wasn't just about interpretation. This was about control of the courtroom. And today, control was contested. And because when the interpreter is challenged, when a judge is forced to restart testimony, when the defense and procedure collide in real time, that's not normal court flow. That a system under pressure on its own. And if today is anything to go by, the trial is no longer about evidence alone. It's about who controls the narrative inside the courtroom. And two things that will make this go to be one of the best. I loved what Mshololo did there. Oh, I loved all of it because Umshololo called back Papa, and Umshololo was like, we are going to do things as per normal. That's how things are done. We cannot be interpreting from the notes. Did I not like all of that? I did. I enjoyed all of that. And then you know how guy is I'm not gonna be told. He gets emotional. Okay, who's this man? Mr. Jonas. He gets emotional. I'm not gonna be told how to do my job. Hey, it's not about you, sir. It's not about you. Do how it is done, how the court and how the record needs it. Do it how it's done. It's not about you. Nobody cares about how you feel about it. Do what needs to be done. You are an officer of the court. Maintain that. Maintain. And that, my guys, oh my goodness. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Because what? I enjoyed it. I do not want to even lie. Uyabona this thing of uJonas thinking that kukwegog wakhe pha uzosibona. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much. Do enjoy your day. Bye bye.